Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you are all fine by the grace of the Almighty Allah. So today I have came with class 2 subject math and our today's topic is word problems part 2. I have already showed word problems part 1 in previous video. You will get the link of the previous part 1 in the description. So let's start the part 2 of our today's topic. So today this is our first one word problem. Sohag went to market with 85 taka. He spent 53 taka. How much money was left with him? Solution here. Sohag went with 85 taka. He spent 53 taka. So here, Swag went to market to buy something with 85 taka and he spent 53 taka on buying things. And so, how much money was left to him? So we have to minus 53 taka from 85 taka. So left with him 5 minus 3 equal 2 and 8 minus 5 equal 3 equal 32 taka. Answer 32 taka was left with Sohag. Now the next one. Number 2. There are 48 students in a classroom and 26 of them are boys. How many girls students are there? I am repeating for better. There are 48 students in a classroom and 26 of them are boys. How many girls students are there? Solution. Accordingly, there are 48 students and there are 26 boys. So, in the word problem, it is given that there are 48 students in a class and among them 26 are boys. So, we have to find the number of girl students in this 48 students. So, we have to minus 26 boys from 48 students. So there are 8 minus 6 equal to 4 minus 2 equal to. So there are 22 girls. Answer. There are 22 girls in the classroom. So let's go with the next one. There are 45 mango trees in a garden. 29 of them are fruited. How many trees are still unfruited? Again, there are 45 mango trees in a garden. 29 of them are fruited. How many trees are still unfruited? Here, fruited means 29 of them got in those 29 mangoes, 8 mangoes. So solution here, there are 45 mango trees, among them 29 are fruited. So there are, 1 minute please, 9 minus 15 minus 9 equal 6, 1 in hand, 2 plus 1 equal 3, 4 minus 3 equal 1 equal 16. So there are 16 unfruited mango trees. Answer. There are 16 mango trees still unfruited. Number 4. Shaila had 8 10 taka notes. She gave Moina 3 10 taka notes. How much taka does Shaila have? Here, we don't have to find the number of money he has. We have to find the notes, the 10 taka notes he has. So here Shaila had 8 10 taka notes. She gave Moina 3 10 taka notes. Now she had 8 minus 3 equal 5. 5 10 taka notes. Answer: she had 5 10 taka notes at last. Let's go with another one. Rumi has 75 marbles and Raju has 47 marbles. How many more or less marbles does Raju have than Rumi? Solution: here Rumi has 75 marbles, Raju has 47 marbles. We know 75 is greater than 47. So Rumi have more. 75 minus 47 marbles equal 15 minus 7 equal 5 is not greater than smaller than 7. So we will add 1 beside 5. So 15. 15 minus 7 equal 8. 1 in hand. 4 plus 1 equal 5. 5 7 minus 5 equal 2 equal 28 marbles. Answer: so Raju has 28 marbles less than Rumi. Mahir has 23 story books. Apurva has 17 story books. How many more or less books does Apurva have than Mahir? Solution: here at first we have to look at that which one is greater, 23 or 17. As we see, 23 is greater than 17. So here Mahir has 23 story books, Apurva has 17 story books. So Apurva have 13 minus 7 equals 6, 1 in hand, 1 plus 1 equals 2, 2 minus 2 equals 0. So 6 less story books than Mahir. Answer: Apurva have 6 less story books than Mahir. Sum of the age of mother and daughter is 70. The daughter is 22 years old. How old is the mother? Solution: accordingly, total age of them is 70 years. Age of daughter is 22 years. Here we have to find the age of the mother, and here it is given the total age of two mother and the daughter is 70 and age of daughter is 22 years. So age, age of mother is 10 minus 2 equal 8, 1 in hand, 2 plus 1 equal 3, 7 minus 3 equal 4, 48 years. So age of mother is 48 years. Answer: age of the mother is 48 years. Jumu is 8 years older than Rumu. Jumu is 24 years old. How old is Rumu? So here it is given Jumu is 24 years old and Jumu is 8 years older than Rumu. So we have to find the age of Rumu. Solution: here Jumu is 24 years old. She is 8 years older than Rumu. Rumu is 16 years old. Oh, I'm sorry for I can say 14 minus 8 equals 6, 1 in hand, 2 minus 1 equals 1, 16. Rumu is 16 years old. Answer: Rumu is 16 years old. There were 24 taka with Akash. His father gave him some taka. Now he has 58 taka. How much taka did his father give? Accordingly, Akash now have total 58 taka. Akash had at first 24 taka. So his father gave 8 minus 4 equal 4, 5 minus 2 equal 3, 34 taka. Answer: Akash's father gave him 34 taka. There were 30 colored pencils in the house. Bulu took some pencils to the school. Now there are 22 pencils in the house. How many pencils did Bulu take to the school? Solution here. There were 30 colored pencils in the house. After Bulu took, there were 22 colored pencils in the house. So Bulu took to the school 30 minus 22 colored pencils equal 8 colored pencils. Answer. Bulu took 8 colored pencils to the school. Some children were playing in the field. Then 38 children came in the field. There are 86 children in the field now. How many children were playing in the field first? Again, some children were playing in the field. Then 38 children came in the field. There are 86 children in the field now. How many children were playing in the field first? Solution. Given that total children now 86, children came 38. So here 6 is not greater than 8, so 16. 16 minus 8 equal 8. Then 1 in hand. 3 plus 1 equal 4. 8 minus 4 equal 4. 48 children. So there were 48 children. Answer. There were 48 children playing at the field first. Tariq went to the market for selling mangoes. After selling 35 mangoes, there still remained 17 mangoes with him. How many mangoes did he bring to the market? Solution here. Tariq sold 35 mangoes, remained 17 mangoes. So he went to the market. It is an addition problem. So we have to add these two. So 7 plus 5 equal to 12. 1 in hand. 1 plus 1 equal to 3 plus 2 equal 5. 52 mangoes. So he went to the market with 52 mangoes. Answer. Tariq went to the market with 52 mangoes. So chapter 2 is finished. So we have gone to chapter 5, multiplication. So it's a first word problem from chapter 5, multiplication. Meena has been reading a book by 2 pages a day. How many pages will she read in 6 days? Solution here. In one day, Meena read 2 pages. In 6 days, she reads 6 into 2 multiplication pages equal 12 pages. We know 6 into 2 equal 12. If you know the times table of 6 or 2, you can answer it quickly. It's better for doing multiplication word problems to memorize from 1 to 10 times table is better. Answer. Meena will read 12 pages in 6 days. Number 2. A pack of biscuit costs 2 taka. Reza bought 7 packs of this biscuit. Number 1. How much taka would it cost? Number 2. If he added 3 more packs of biscuit, how much taka would it be? It's not word problem. It looks like a creative question, but this will not come for you. But this is better to understand and do it. So I have given them. Solution. Accordingly, 1 pack of biscuit costs 2 taka. So 7 pack of biscuit cost 7 into 2. We have to multiply 7 by 2 taka equal 14 taka. If he add 3 more packs, then the total number of packets will be 7 plus 3 equal 10 packets. So 10 packs of biscuit cost 10 into 2 taka equal 20 taka. So that's all for today. Hope you like the video. Subscribe for more videos and also share this video if you like. Then like, comment, share. That's all for today. Stay home, stay safe. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.